Let me show you how the Zip Classic Plus tap works. For boiling water, press and hold the red boiling water button and the safety lock button together. Boiling water will dispense for up to 15 seconds. You can change the dispense time via the LCD screen on the command center. Press Menu, then System Settings, and then Dispense Times, using the plus or minus keys to change the dispense time. For chilled water, press and hold the blue Chilled Water button. Chilled water will dispense for up to 15 seconds. You can also change the dispense time via the LCD screen in System Settings. For sparkling water, press and hold the white Sparkling button. Sparkling water will dispense for up to 15 seconds. Again, you can change the dispense time via the LCD screen in System Settings. For almost hands-free operation, use the new Continuous Flow button. The Continuous Flow button can be used with boiling, chilled and sparkling water. To operate, first press the Continuous Flow button, which will light up white. Then press either sparkling, chilled or boiling, and safety lock buttons for continuous flow. The drinking water will dispense without being touched for up to 15 seconds. To stop the flow of drinking water, press any of the buttons on the tap face. There are two boiling safety modes that can be activated or deactivated via the LCD. To access the controls, press Menu, Safety and Security, Boiling Safety. The boiling safety lock comes activated from the factory. To deactivate, press the slide. To reactivate, press the slide and it will turn green. Zip recommends leaving the boiling safety lock active or on. When active, the boiling water safety requires a 2-finger activation. Just press the safety and the boiling water button to dispense boiling water. Hot isolation mode is designed as an extra level of protection. To activate, press the hot isolation slide on the LCD. The main screen should now show the unit is in hot isolation. To use boiling water when in hot isolation, press the safety button 3 times quickly. The lights on the tap will flash and you now have 30 seconds to dispense boiling water before the HydroTap isolates itself again. And there you have it, the HydroTap Classic Plus. For more helpful videos and information, please visit zipwater.com.